who is over by the time y'all watch this. It's not over for me yet. I got exam tomorrow. That's what I'm trying to say. Y'all came a long way. You know, sophomores, y'all finna be juniors, y'all finna be seniors. No one cares about freshmen. But yeah, everybody be safe this summer. Y'all did good at school, I hope, stay focused. Now we one step closer to graduating. One step closer to getting out of there, you feel me? You feel me? One step closer to getting out of there, you feel me? Out of there, you feel me? Then you back in there and that shit like that, you feel me? But y'all go check out the best place, you know what I'm saying? I forgot I'm talking. No, but you feel me? I want to congratulate y'all on your hard work. It's been a long year. I met new people, like gained new friends that I probably thought I would never be friends with, cause I don't really like hang with people like that. Cause people be lame, they be lying, you feel me? But I'm thankful for everybody, like even the people that like I had bad times with, cause you showed me how to play the game. You feel me? Like I know what to do next here, you feel me? That's what life's all about, learning from your mistakes. And my channel, I got more stuff coming this summer. Good stuff. It's just a little check-in, School is always number one. Well, God is number one for me, but like if you're not religious, education should be number one. But God is number one for me, and then family. And like education is like somewhere in it. It's important. Okay, it's important. That's what I'm trying to say. It's important. I'm really supposed to be asleep right now. Go, cause when you go, you being savage. You being savage. Till my mom come in. No, but y'all like, I just want all y'all to just learn from this year, cause like I know a lot of people who went through a lot of stuff, like school-wise, not just grades, but like people, like just learn from it, like just learn. Don't think about it as a bad experience to let it keep you down. Just learn. That's all you can do is learn from it. And like next year, when somebody try you on that bull. Somebody want to fade you for no reason, and the old you would be, you feel me? Oh, you would have did that. Next year you go, alright, unless you touch me, I'm not gonna fade you. Cause like people just like to talk, people like to bring you down, boom. But guess what? We don't see none of that. Like really, like when you're a GOAT, you just not cocky. I'm gonna be a little cocky, but not cocky. But you gotta think the people that trying to bring you down, they down. You up here, when you a GOAT, bro. You up here, and it's just certain stuff you don't let get to you. You just do you. Stay true to yourself. And you up here, they down here. So while they trying to bring you down here, go up even more. Make them want to hate you even more. Like if they don't hate you, not doing something right. You feel me? Like just make them mad. Like, bro, success is the best revenge, bro. I'm telling you. Like all my bullies, all the girls who didn't want me because I was ugly, I still am. But like I'm at 75% right now, something like that. You feel me? I'm gonna go up. All the girls who didn't want me, everybody that bullied me, I'm just like, people might treat me, oh, you don't say nothing back, or da-da-da-da. Because I know I'm going in life. Like, I'm gonna let my numbers speak for me. And I'm gonna just say, boy, if you don't not that, I'm gonna just say, I told you so. Back when I was broke, and now I'm driving a Corvette or a Camaro, the car I wanted all my life. I told you so. When I'm living in that big house, in my house used to have no AC. I told you so, cause I did it, bro. Like, I'm working. Like, failure is not an option when you a GOAT. You gotta make it happen, and if it don't work out, you gotta switch it up, and you always find it's always a way. It's always a way. As long as you keep God first, it's always a way. I'm telling you, like when you a GOAT, you just never can't give up. You just can't never give up, and like just grind, hard work, grind, dedication. You just those are all the traits of a GOAT. Like you just keep pushing. Like people gonna keep hating, people gonna keep talking crap, people gonna keep saying you this, you that. As long as you know what you is in here, as long as you got this right here and brains right here, everything is falling in place. I'm telling you what I know. I'm telling you what I learned. What like I seen people do. Like I observe a lot. That's why I talk a lot, but I don't talk a lot. You feel me? Like when I'm around grown people and stuff, I don't talk a lot. I observe and I see where they came from to where they at now. This guy, he started at the bottom. He chose to make bad decisions. He stayed at the bottom. This guy, he started at the bottom. He grind. He didn't let poverty. He didn't let his skin color and none of that, all that stuff affect him. He grind. Now he up here. He started down here. This is the thing. You start at the bottom. Everybody does, unless you like Donald Trump with a small loan of $1 million. It's still, you start down here. And you working. And the thing is, it never stops. You never settle. You just keep going.